Hello my beautiful people. So this is the second episode of the startup series that we are doing here, and in the previous video we talked about 3 important P's, but in reality there are 4 very crucial P's to start any form of business, and today we are going to talk about that. The very first is P for paisa, money is very important. Second is patience, third is people, and the last one is passion. Now you must be wondering किसने passion क्यों last में बोला? Passion तो सबसे पहले होना चाहिए था. See, you have to understand, if you have passion to pursue anything but you don't have enough money to implement it, will you be able to execute it? No. But at the same time, that passion is very much required, because if you have the correct zeal to pursue anything in this entire world, you will be able to earn money for it and put it somehow it will happen. For example, if you'll ask me how did I do it, so I started this venture when I think my first year was about to get over probably. So I didn't want to take money from parents, and the reason behind that is, what if it fails? अगर ये fail हो गया तो पैसे तो बर्बाद हो जाएंगे. So that is why I wanted कि मैं खुद से ही कुछ करूँ, so that even if it doesn't work, I will have experience and I can start all over again rather than wasting my parents' money. So what did I do? The only thing that was coming to my mind at that time was tutoring. So I probably took around 3 different home tuitions for 1.5 years straight. And whatever money I earned around 6,500 or 7,500 per month, and I used to put it into third eye. I didn't spend it anywhere except third eye. So with this, I just want to tell you that if you really want to do it, try it. Money is important and you have to accept it. Don't just go away from this fact that money is not important, I'll be able to do it. No, you need that money, and don't stop yourself because you don't have money. Do whatever you want, take that risk, because once you'll take that risk, that is the most important step. Once you take it, you'll go through it. I promise, if you'll work on it, universe will give you ways through which you can ace it. I promise. And this was all in this video. Whatever queries you have, you can share it in the comment section or DM me. I'll tell you. Bye bye. Thank you.